this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing and trying on the products from December 2019's IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. Before I jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel before clicking off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. Also, I hope you are watching during the month of December because I have my massive holiday giveaway currently open right now. There will be a link in the cards and the description below to check out after watching this video. So my IPSY box is like already exploding, so I'm hoping that's a good sign. And before I lift the lid up, I want to say I did not get any add-ons. I think this is the first month since they rolled out the add-on options that I have not purchased any add-ons. Did hell freeze over or something? Because I go add-on crazy, but nothing really spoke to me. This is what my box looks like. I always forget to talk about the service in my videos. IPSY GLAM Bag Plus, you pay $25 and each box retails for over $125 and you get 5 full-size items. And December's theme is Shine On. And then we have the description and retail value of all of our products. And I started noticing in the corner, I think this might be maybe a variation code. It says box 102DE19. Let me know if you guys got that as well on your card or if your number is a little bit different. I'm not sure for their normal Glam Bag subscription if you get a choice item, but for Plus and Ultimate you do. My choice product was the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray, and this retails for $25. So essentially, you can look at it as I paid for this and everything else was free. I have not tried this before, but I love setting sprays. I go through them super quick, so that's why I chose this. And to be honest, none of the other items really made an impression on me, so I felt safe choosing setting spray. Okay, so it looks very misty. It looks good. I wonder how it feels on the face. I'm gonna use it as a primer as well as to set my face in the try-on portion. It's around the same price as the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day. I think this is a couple dollars more, but it is cheaper than Urban Decay All Nighter. I always refer to those two setting sprays as a reference because those are the two I'm most familiar with, and you get 4 fluid ounces, which is a decent amount of product. The next product is by Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzing Brush, and this retails for $35. So just one brush. Okay. For $35, that's a little expensive, but it's super soft. It has a very luxe feeling to it. The handle reminds me of the Farrah brushes that we got a couple months back that were super bougie. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. I mean, I like the shape, I like how they feel. I always mention that I do like to receive brushes in a subscription box, but not just one bougie brush. I couldn't justify paying $35 for one brush, and the most I have done on one brush was pay $25 or $27 for the Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki brush. To me, that is very worth the price. I love that brush. That is my holy grail to blend and buff out my foundation, but I mean, we'll see. Maybe this would be. It's nice to receive in a subscription box. It's not like I am gonna go run out to the store and buy this. Normally, I like to spend that much money on a brush set. That way I can get multiple brushes, get a little bit more bang out of my buck, but not just for a single brush. Next we have Olay Skincare Super Oil. This retails for $68. Okay, there's something in there. It feels super light. It doesn't feel like there's 1 fluid ounce in here. It feels like half of that. I feel like it's a big component for just getting 1 fluid ounce, and I'm not familiar with this product, but I know for me, just being in product development, when you have a lot of headspace, where headspace is just like the empty portion that isn't completely full, it could be degrading your product a little bit faster. That is something that I am just kind of taken by just because of how big the component is for a item that does get 1 fluid ounce. It says to apply 2 or 3 drops in the AM and PM as needed. There's very minimal ingredients in here, so for not having a preservative, and I just mentioned the headspace, it does make me a little worried. I just feel like it's a product that's gonna degrade really quickly, especially since there is vitamin C in here as well. That is a ingredient that does degrade rapidly if you don't use it within the shelf life that the product recommends. So I feel like if I don't use this up right away, the product's not gonna do much for me. There's only olive derived squalane oil, vitamin A, oil soluble vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So it just sounds like you're just putting vitamins on your face. I'm really not impressed looking at it just by component, fill volume, and the price. It just doesn't make sense to me. We're gonna continue being not impressed right now because we received the Noya Organic Lip Balm set in peppermint and vanilla, and this retails for $7.99 for a set of 2. IPSY has finally let me down with filler products. This is my first product received in IPSY that has a less than $10 value. There's so many other products they could have put in that aren't lip balms. I just got a lip product last month in either my Plus or Ultimate, so why do I need another one? $7.99, that is unacceptable in my opinion. This is something I expect to see in the normal glam bag, not in Plus. Plus, you're supposed to be receiving full-size items. Yes, these are full-size items, but it's not. Realistically, it is not full-size. This is not a blush, a bronzer, highlight, like a lipstick. Why not a lipstick? Why is it a balm? I'm really annoyed that I got something like this. I'm sure it's a fantastic product. I don't want to take away from it. It's just I'm annoyed because it's something that shouldn't be in Plus. And then the last product is the IPSY the Van Ness eyeshadow quad, and this retails for $60. This is another product I am annoyed at. This is what the inside looks like. I don't find that this is worth $60. You only get 4 shades and a magnetic case. I do need another Z palette. I don't know what actually these are called, magnetic cases. I'm forever gonna call them a Z palette. I am not gonna buy a Z palette just from their scandal years ago, but this is kind of helpful. I do have loose single eyeshadows that do need a home, so that is nice for that aspect. $60 is a way inflated price, and the shades are just kind of That's not really a look right there. That's very hard to work with. And this is the bag. I will set the bag aside for a giveaway because I know I'm not going to get any use out of it, and I just don't want it collecting dust. Maybe one of you guys will get some use out of it. If you can't tell, I am not thrilled about my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for December. Honestly, the only product I am remotely excited for is the setting spray, followed by the brush. Not a very well thought out, curated items to end 2019. I would think that this box would be banging. You know, you want to end the year on a high note because it's going to set the bar and pace for January. It's to the point where I'm like, should I just pause my IPSY Glam Bag Plus? But I'm not going to. I'm hoping that January's is going to be amazing. I will probably be let down. You guys really like the try-on style, so let's try them on and give the products a chance. Maybe something will surprise us. Do I want peppermint or vanilla? I want peppermint. I'm going to use the peppermint balm and prep my lips, and then I'll put a lipstick over to see how my lips feel. I do like the peppermint. It does feel soothing and hydrating. Let's try this 7-ingredient serum. And that is how much is dispensed from one pump. I probably only have 0.7 fluid ounces left. Ew. This serum smells really weird. It has like a funky scent to it. Headspace, I'm telling you. Oh, and it doesn't feel good on the face. Maybe I need a second pump. Yeah, I just sniffed the nozzle to make sure that is the scent that was coming from. I don't know. It doesn't smell good to me at all. Oh my god, it smells disgusting. It needed 2 pumps. Well, it said apply 2 to 3 pumps, but I wanted to see how 1. It still stinks. In my opinion, definitely not worth the $68. And of course, I still have to implement it in my skincare routine. I don't know if I will because I don't want to smell, but I do need to implement it in my skincare routine to see how it works with my other products and if I'm seeing payoff from the product. And we'll prime the face with the Tarte Stay Spray. It smells like sunscreen. The spray is very misty. It reminds me of the Morphe Continuous Mist. I felt like I had to do a lot of sprays to fully get my face covered because it's a very refined mist. I do like a refined mist, but that's almost too refined for my liking. And the spray radius is really nice. It's just I need to spray a lot because of how refined the mist is. I kind of want to go in with another primer just because I want to see how well this bronzes. I'm going to take my Rodial primer to prime my face. I'm glad I went in with another primer because I don't feel like any of that would have made my foundation look remotely good. And I'm going to take my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Well, looky there. We panned a foundation on camera. Now that we're all nice and blended in, I'm going to take this brush. I'm going to grab my Tarteiste Pro Glow palette. We'll take this bronzer right here. Get it nice and saturated. So I like how this brush handles. It's just, I don't think I would go out of my way to pick up this brush. It's nice to receive in a box. It's nice, it's just not the ideal price point. The price that I paid for my Sigma 3D HD Max Kabuki is my limit. And I'm gonna go on ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup using the Tarte's Pro Glow palette. I'm going to take my ColourPop tinted brow gel to fill in my brows with. Let's swatch this palette. Is it magnetic? It's running away. So they look pretty pigmented on the fingers. And that's what the 4 shades look like. The shades felt creamy. There's pigment all the way through, but I'm still not crazy about the 4 colors. We'll see how they look on the eyes. And I'm also still not crazy about the price point for the 4 shades in the magnetic case. I feel like on Shop Miss A, you could get a more affordable magnetic case if you needed one. I'm gonna take some Urban Decay Potion Primer to prime my eyes. Ulta sent me another 20% off coupon in my email, and I went to go repurchase a couple products I need, like my ABH primer. I could not find the full size on there anymore. I only saw the mini size. What is up with that? Does Sephora have the full size? Because I'm supposed to get a 20% off because I did buy during Black Friday, and that was around the time period where you spend now and you get a coupon later. I would love to know in the comments what your favorite eye primer is. The ABH one has been my ride or die since I have tested it. Urban Decay Potion Primer is my other holy grail. I've been using it for years now. There's really not much to do with these shades, except maybe take this in the crease. It's super powdery. It's gonna make me look sickly. Like when I did my Wander Beauty try on last month. It's kind of there. It's definitely a shade that needs to be built up. Hello. Wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. I don't know how many times I'm gonna have to dig into this shade to get it on. Honestly, I probably could have just put one of the shimmer shades on, but I wanted to give my crease area some depth before going in. Let's take, either shade's gonna look like this one right here. See, now the shimmer looks good on the brush. Guess it would have been fine on its own. Gonna take some eyeliner to my lid and my waterline. This is the Kaleido Cosmetics liquid eyeliner, and this is my Lancome Le Crayon Colle. And I'm gonna take the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, followed by the Douche mascara, or Cinnamon Dolce mascara. It is time to put to the test a liquid lipstick after applying the Noya Balm. And I'm gonna go in with my Dose of Colors Date Night liquid lipstick. This is my new favorite liquid lipstick right now. Such a gorgeous shade. And let's lock in the makeup with the setting spray. After spraying this, I still don't feel like my face is set. Oh, but it's smudging my mascara. Yeah, this was not my favorite box at all. I don't even know what my favorite product is. The brush or the balm. They both infuriate me for 2 different reasons. One, I only got 1 brush for the price, which is fine. It's a nice, luxurious brush. It applied bronzer really nice, so I do like that. So yes, this is probably my favorite product. It infuriates me less than the balm because the balm is only $7.99. I have an issue with subscription services putting in products that are under $10. Every time I see a product that is under $10, I automatically think it's a filler product. I don't care the quality or anything. That to me is almost unacceptable, and that's not what I signed up for when I have a service like this. I don't appreciate it. I definitely think that it's just a shortcut of putting full-size items in your box. Maybe it gets it over the hump of what the service claims to have a value of. The product was nice because my lipstick applied really nice afterwards. My lips still feel very hydrated, and this is a liquid lipstick formula, and my lips look good. They don't look flaky or cracked or anything. The setting spray, not my favorite either. A, it smudged my eyeliner. 2, it smells like sunscreen. 3, I like how it dispenses, but there's not enough. I feel like I am there forever spraying my face to make sure that my makeup feels locked in place. It is definitely too refined of a mist for me. I need a little bit more droplet size to it. Not like raindrops, but just a little bit more. Double the size that you are already dispensing. It just doesn't feel like it's doing anything for me right now. This product I'm mixed on because I like that I got a case because I do have some single eyeshadows that need a home. But I don't like the eyeshadows. They didn't perform that good, and I already feel that the 2 shades that I took this shade all over the crease and then this all over the lid, and I feel like it just looks like one shade at this point. It's hard to distinguish the two shades apart from each other. I really had to build up the matte shade. I felt like I was there forever, whereas the shimmer needed one swipe, and I only call it a shimmer because it looks like it's a matte right now. This serum has a weird scent. It's hard to comment on because I haven't implemented it in my skincare routine to see if this product is delivering on the claims it's supposed to. Aside from the smell, it's not bad, but I also feel like I'm being gypped on product with 1 fluid ounce because it definitely feels a lot lighter than that. Total letdown. I'm not completely hyped about anything right now, and that sucks. I always look forward to IPSY, and I kind of had a feeling based off of the add-on selection that this was going to be a total bust. The fact that I didn't get any add-ons for me tells me that it's just not a well curated variety of products for December. Normally I go add-on crazy. I normally at least get 1. And they had their Cyber Monday add-on sale. You can buy to get a deluxe size for free or $3 off a full size. I was looking forward to that, and yeah, nothing. Did you guys get IPSY Glam Bag Plus? What was your variation? Were you let down like me, or did you enjoy your products? Maybe you got a better variation than I did. I would love to know what your thoughts were. Did you guys get IPSY Glam Bag or Ultimate? Maybe those had better variations. Hope you guys had a better experience than I did, and are you going to get IPSY Glam Bag Plus or Ultimate in January? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video. Go enter the giveaway! Bye.